For Kerb, imagine you're a data analyst. Typically, you work with relational databases using something like SQL. But what if you want to deal with unstructured, non-tabular data, something like tweets, for example? In this example, you're looking for things like positive or negative sentiment. If you know what you're doing, you could always train your own sentiment classifier, or you can use one of the public APIs, which generally works pretty well. But what if you want to take what you do know, SQL, and apply it to the same problem? That's where Kerb comes in. Kerb lets you treat unstructured, non-tabular data as easily as you would with relational data. So in the previous example, we had our set of tweets. We can query it with Kerb. We were looking for tweets with positive sentiment. There we go. Kerb lets you query unstructured, unlabeled data as easily as you would query relational database. You can use the common SQL commands and conditions as well. We can change what we're looking for and redefine our conditions, just like in any other SQL query. But it's not just for text. Kerb works with any non-tabular data, and that includes images, video, audio, and graphs. So another example would be our data analyst wants to work with images this time, something like CFAR, which is a very common data set in the computer vision community. For the sake of the argument, he's looking for red cars. He's able to query the dataset as easily as he would query a relational database. And that's really the power of Kerb. Kerb lets data analysts take what they do know, SQL, and apply it to unstructured, non-tabular datasets.